Welcome to FSD Kenya's 5th annual lecture. From the financial sector, researchers, policymakers, regulators, fintechs, consumer associations, students, we're delighted to have you here tonight.
Looking at Kenya's financial sector today, the standout success has clearly been in expanding financial inclusion. Productivity improvement is at the heart of unlocking inclusive, sustainable growth.
I would like now to invite the panel and welcome them.
What's happening in Kenya, specifically in the SME industry, is that with technology being available, a lot of financing opportunities are now being made available.
The financial sector should be designing products that actually solve the problems of manufacturers by understanding the sector maybe and trying to design products that are relevant to the sector.
You talked about savings, we talked about wealth management, we need to talk about insurance, and we need to look at how the technology out there can be used.
Embedded finance and the potential of your pay-as-you-go systems, which, as we know, the mobile phone and the fact that internet is becoming cheaper and more accessible.
Thank you, Sitoyo. Thank you, Nuri. Thank you, Phyllis. Thank you, Nihat. Thank you, David.